y'all, welcome to the Crafty Diamond. I am Debbie. I have another PaintGem unboxing for you guys. I've had this one for a while. I just put it in my stash and I don't always unbox whenever I get my canvases. And so I thought this would be a perfect time to get this one out, to look at it, go over it with you guys, especially since we are in the middle of our PaintGem mini event. So let me rearrange and let's get started. So this is the Houseplants Edition 2.0. The very first kit that I bought from PaintGem was the houseplants, and I love those. I have about half of them left to do, but I work on them, work on other kits as well. So I'll eventually get back to them, but I really saw this and wanted to go ahead and pick this one up as well. If you look on the back of this box, it is going to show you all of the names of the plants that is in here. I don't know very much about plants, so this will definitely be useful to me whenever I go and want to put these in some kind of order, or I might end up buying small frames and be able to frame these. Not exactly sure yet. I'm not going to start on these for a while, but I want to go ahead and start unboxing more so they will be ready whenever I am ready to start on another set. I thought about kitting up the safari set that I opened last week, unboxed with you guys, but I am not ready to kit up anything yet. I have several that I already have kitted up. I'm trying to get those done before I kit anything else up, even though I love to work on the safari. The PaintGem does include everything that you need in this small box to diamond paint. I really like this little satchel here. I think it's really pretty. It says PaintGem on it. We do have some tweezers. Now these tweezers I think are okay. They do the job. I do like my metal tweezers better, but these do work. They're not pokey, so they won't poke you like the other ones will. We do have a couple of placers if you would like to multi-place. Then we have some red wax. If you use this wax, make sure that you do take the plastic off the top and the bottom of this heart, or you will not be able to get any wax loaded in your pen. Then you have a pen, you have a squishy that I just dropped, and then you have a tray. So all the tools that you need to diamond paint. Nothing fancy, but it definitely works. Then let's look at this box. I always keep my box because I put everything back in there whenever I am done. PaintGems do not come with any special drills such as ABs, which are Aurora Borealis. They just give it a little more of a shimmer or a shine, but you can always add to them. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It just depends on what kind of mood that I'm in and what kind of kit that it is. We do have a sticker sheet that you can either pull this off, put this on your containers, or if you don't mind working out of baggies, you can just open these bags and put the containers on the bags, or the containers. You can put the stickers on the bags and then you can get started. I do not work out of containers, so I do kit mine up. I'll just show you what this looks like. All of the drills that come with the kit goes to all of the small canvases that are in the kit. So once you kit up or put your labels on your bags, you only have to do it one time. So that's what it looks like. There's a lot of static in here. My life is just full of static when it comes to diamond painting lately. I've just kind of embraced it, learned to get used to it. I will use my static guard. I will also use my bounce sheets, my dryer sheets. I'll put one in each one of these bags. And then by the time that I get ready to kit them up, hopefully the static will be out. That's the plan anyway. So because this is for plants, we do have, and these do come in order, but then by the time that I'm done with them, they're all out of whack. They're cattywampus every which way. But I can put them back in order. There's not that many. But we have all of these really pretty greens. We do have a really pretty orange. Very few of those. But because it's house plants, we're going to have mostly greens. Just different variations of greens. And every one of these has static. Every one. But it's quite alright. The drills are really nice. These are 310s and there's a lot of static. See how they're clinging together? That's how you can tell that there's static in these bags. But that's the drill. I'm not going to go through all of them. I'm sure you don't want to just watch me go through every one of these. But these are just some of the pretty color pinks and the greens, burgundy that's in here. So let's look at our canvases. I'm just going to put all these over here. I can either put all my drills back in this, or I can just put them into my box. This box is a nice sturdy box. I will travel with these. And it does say on here, house plants. So if for some reason you don't want to keep your drills with your box or with your canvases, then you'll know what that's for. So that makes it extremely nice. These are numbered. There are 16 in here. So we'll just go through and look at these. So you can see, I can blow them up a little more so you guys can see. Look, there's something on my table. Okay, so here's that one. I'm not even going to try for the name of some of these. I think these are going to be fun to do. And what I'm probably going to do, I have so many PaintGems that I am probably going to put these on a randomizer and then just spin the wheel and see where it lands on what I'm going to work on next when it comes to PaintGems once I finish the one that I'm working on now, which are the butterflies. Because I want to do all of them. And so I've got several that I do have kitted up. I've done 3 or 4 and several of them, and then I keep the ones that I finish in the box until they're all done. But I think that one's torn there, but that's not going to matter. It's just torn a little bit on the paper, the plastic. But the actual canvas itself is fine. But my goal this year is to get more kits finished. So I'm going to work on one kit at a time on the PaintGems. And then once that kit is finished, then I'll go to another one. So until the butterflies are finished, I'm not going to work on anything else, which is why I have refrained from kitting anything else up. So that are those. And then what you can do with this is buy frames, small frames, or you can even find some of the collage frames, which that's what I'm going to be doing with my butterflies. I think that will be super, super pretty to do. And I'm going to put those in my entrance. Once I get those finished, I should be done with those hopefully next week. So on my next Thursday's video that's going to be for the PaintGem event, I am hoping that I will have those finished and that I can kit those down and then also show you how I'm going to frame them. But we'll see. And let's see, what else is there? Oh yes, we can't forget this, can we? We have a winner from last week, and I had asked you guys to put in a sentence the word jungle, And so we are going to use a randomizer for that. And whoever wins will win a gift certificate from Angie Sparkle Addiction. Now I have put everything in here. I have put my comment picker for the video. I have loaded 49 comments with the word jungle. So now I'm going to pick a winner. And Vicky 5767 says, people say life's a jungle, but when I diamond paint, my life feels like it's on a beach. And this is from Vicky from Southeast Pennsylvania. So congratulations, Vicky. Please reach out to me. I do have your information, and I will make sure that I send that over to Angie, and we'll get you set up. But I will need to have the email that you would like to use, so she will know to be looking for that. Now let's get back to our PaintGem unboxing. Congratulations to the winner. Again, please make sure that you do contact me so that I can get you in touch with Angie, and you can get your gift certificate and you can begin shopping. For next week, let's use the word spring, because I am really looking forward to the spring, and also I want to see our plants outside start to bloom. So let's use spring, lowercase spring, and next week we will be drawing for a gift certificate from Enablers Outpost. And Enablers Outpost has pins. They also have larger, and when I say larger, I mean larger than PaintGems, for diamond paintings. And they also have putty, which is called chit, and not with the S, with the C, chit, and that is putty and Romanian. So for that, for next week, again, use the word spring, and make sure you do put that underneath in the description, and do that before Wednesday of next week, because that's when I will be drawing, and then I will have the video coming up on Thursday. If you like this video, please click on the like button. Also, I have another video from last week, if you have not seen that, on the PaintGem unboxing, and then I will also include a video that will show you some other paintings that you can do that are larger. So I have a playlist there as well on other unboxings. Thanks so much for joining me today, and until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.